Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking Banga Soup. Yes, and this is stockfish, cow skin, and my blended bell pepper and onions, and I'm adding shaki, yes, and turkey, and putting a crayfish, grounded crayfish. Yes, I put in maggi, yes. These are Banga spices which I'm adding. Yes, Banga spices, the steak, the spicy. Yes, we're going to stir it together, which I'm doing right now. Then we're going to leave it for some minutes to cook. Yes, wow, this smells so good. Yes, and this is the palm nut. Yes, that's the main banga himself. Yes, and this is manga spicy, and I'm adding salt to taste. So we're going to leave for some minutes to cook. It's very easy to cook. Yeah, very easy. You know what? I'll surprise you. I use this soup to eat rice. Yeah, it still tastes so good. Yeah, it's just like pepper soup. When you use pepper soup to eat rice, yeah, it tastes different. Thank you guys. Bye. Our soup is ready.